This video is my entry into the Ugly Zoo. This is a collaboration challenge, brainchild of my friend Jesse of Little Giant Crafts, who is super awesome. Love him. And love Jen. Hello. And also, nope, I lost my train of thought. Choo-choo. Oh, the rules. The rules of the challenge are very simple. You take a bag of those cheap plastic animals, like zoo animals, jungle animals, desert animals that you find at hobby stores, and you make a new animal out of it. I gladly accept this, and there are many other people playing along, and I can't wait to see what they come up with. This is what I've come up with. It is time for my unboxing, my pineapple box unboxing of the animals I chose. I got something that is technically a bag of animals, but from Etsy. Let me show you. What's that? What's that? Bet you can't guess. I have several bags of these cocktail squids in various colors. And because I couldn't resist it, 12 Monkeys, also Cocktail Monkeys. I'm pretty sure 12 Monkeys is the name of a Brad Pitt movie, which I haven't seen. One where he tries to be ugly, but he just can't. He's a beautiful man. Monkey. That's what I got, and this is my plan for what I'm gonna do with them. Plan. Let's do it. Hello, this is Racheal of Racheal Gets Creative. Welcome to my cloche. Welcome to my channel. This sounds weird in here. Not sure how it sounds out there. Okay, so I have finished my animal for the Ugly Zoo, and I'm not going to show you. It is a surprise. But I do want to make a little habitat for it, and I don't need to buy anything new. Lord knows, I got enough stuff. So I thought, oh, I could use my old graveyard in a cloche. Well, the horse doesn't fit in here. He's too big. But the base might work. I freshened this up recently, and it was to take pictures for this Halloween 2023 for Reaper. He's a Reaper, but you know, it's time to move on. So I'll save the good bits. Let me do this. Okay. And I'll put them in a baggie. Here's all my little tiny tombstones. Incidentally, this is 26 Tiny Tombstones, which is the title of the book. I have on Amazon. If you want to buy it, feel free. It's a tribute in short stories and art to Edward Gorey's The Ghastly Crumb Tinies. And pop, pop. But this is the base I'm going to work with for some sort of little habitat for my horse creature. And yeah, I think I'll show you how I renovate this, and then we'll go on to the reveal. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you at the end, I think. Bye-bye. So at this point, I thought my animal was not ugly enough, so I decided to get this little guy. Don't tell him, but he's going to be sacrificed and chopped up. I think he knows. I think he knows. The only Splatquus in the world was created during the Beauty Zoo's 2019 Boo at the Zoo Halloween fundraiser, when miniature cocktail squid wandered into the thoroughbred horse exhibit. The reaction between the two species was volatile and disgusting, resulting in the horse's head exploding and being replaced by a colorful, gelatinous fountain of squid goo. Surprisingly, the two animals merged into a new hybrid. In addition to being rather oogie, the Splatquus' head fountain emanates an incredibly vile odor. This smell is so acrid that it burns human nostril hairs to ash. It also causes very specific and horrifying hallucinations of being pursued by baby-faced vampire squid. These qualities earned the Splatquus a transfer to the Ugly Zoo, where staff and volunteers affectionately named it Goober. Fun facts about Goober. It is 15 hands high from ground to withers, but its head fountain can reach an additional height of 4 feet. It eats grasses and grains like a horse, but also it likes pumpkins. It has bioluminescent qualities like a squid. Goober's lifespan is unknown. It was thought upon its death the species would sadly become extinct. But nature finds a way. In 2021, occasional little splats began to fall from Goober's head fountain. At first, zoologists assumed these were additional waste products as they emanated an even more noxious odor than their source. However, within 6 months, the splats began to move independently.
On September 24th, 2023, a splat with functional eyes was born. Indeed, this is a form of reproduction. This offspring, named Stinky Blinky, behaves much like a curious kitten, even chasing yarn. Well, that's my Splatquus. That's my entry into the Ugly Zoo. It really wasn't ugly enough, so I had to add some horse bits and some goo matter to the head fountain, and some tentacles, and hopefully that did the trick. You know, I'm not used to making ugly things, I hope. But this was very fun. And look at his little foot. Meh. Actually, nay. Okay. Thank you, Jessie from Little Giant Crafts, for inviting me to this collab. And to all the participants, hopefully I will have a list either here on the screen in a minute or down below, or maybe a playlist. I can't wait to see everybody else's videos and see what's going on at the Ugly Zoo. Okay, so the Splatquus and I say we love you, thank you, bye-bye, and if you're new here because of this whole collaboration and you like what I do, feel free to subscribe if you want. I do a lot more art content, a lot of painting, some crafts. This is a little different for me, but lots of fun. I love it. Ready? Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Let's get some epic music this time.